Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back to International Opportunity Hub. Today we are going to discuss about the Erasmus Scholarship Program in Manufacturing 4.0 by Intelligent and Sustainable Technology. So this is a two-year program fully taught in English and jointly offered by 6 universities in France, Slovenia, Norway, Germany, Italy, with one premier objective: facing the future challenge of Manufacturing 4.0 by educating a new generation of students to a level of excellence in digital manufacturing, clean manufacturing, sustainable manufacturing, and smart manufacturing. So this is a master scholarship program in Meta 4.0. So becoming a greener is expected to create more than 1 million jobs by 2030, while there are already currently 1 million vacancies in Europe for digital technology experts. Today 70% of companies export that they cannot find the people with the right skill. So applications are open on 15 November till 15 February. You must have a bachelor degree, mechanical engineering, material science, and engineering or potential mechatronics. And you must have an English language proficiency, IELTS or TOEFL. So these are the industry partners of this program. So you can explore this website. I'm going to apply for this program. Click on apply now. So you can check your application deadline 15 February. You will be notified about result by 15 March. Who can apply? You can check it here. Educational background, English proficiency, and your documents required to apply for this scholarship program. Top 100 applications with no more than 10 students of the same nationality will be rigorously assessed by two independent evaluators from different universities within the consortium. So click on Assess online application portal, register yourself. The campaign is Meta 4.0 Erasmus Scholarship Program 2025. After that, you can log in your account. So this is my application for this Meta 4.0 Erasmus Scholarship Program. So you have to complete your personal detail, diploma, training, work experience, language proficiency, reference, motivation, and your required documents to apply for this program. So this is personal detail information. So firstly, you have to complete all this data. Then after that, you can complete your all other sections, motivation, and then add down your attachment. So my dear friends, this is the scholarship opportunity. If you have a bachelor degree related to engineering, then you can apply for the scholarship program. So avail this opportunity and share this scholarship opportunity with your other friends. Thank you so much guys for your support. Take care. Allah Hafiz.